There are various changes which this Companies Act has brought in, whether it is going to be on the rotation of directors or auditors or also on the CSR. Various aspects have been changed, and there have been acts which are various regulations which has been brought out. Also from my reading, I understand that Act also empowers investors against frauds being committed against the company or against the shareholders. It authorizes legal action against the company and also class act suits. This has a lot of implications for the companies. It also provides for a special court for speedy trial of offences. Justice is something which in India is always said to be long drawn and not something which has been coming to an action very fast. And delayed justice is always said to be justice denied. There are so many other provisions in this act which are going to be impacting us, and any new act which comes in brings its own complexities. It is important for us to understand how this act impacts us. Another key aspect of this act is the Companies Act 1956 was a Companies Act by itself, but when you look at the Companies Act 2013, it is more of an act, and it's a lot of procedural aspects have been left separately. There are a lot of things which needs to be done through the rules and regulations. So it is important that the rules which has been put out in the public domain for comments are implemented only after a thorough debate and also reviewing the comments. I think there are a huge amount of comments which has gone to the government from the public. I hope the government takes all these into cognizance before they really come out with the final rules. Since most of the procedural matters have been delegated to these rules, it's important that the rules comes out as a good one, and it's allowed to evolve over a period of time. The industry also has expressed some concerns on the provisions of this act, and also recommended that while implementing these, it should take cognizance of their concerns. And there is also be a request from the industry that this act should be allowed to be evolved, because any act to become a matured one takes time. And Companies Act also we know, or any Income Tax Act, any of these acts you would have seen, it took its own time to really become a good mature act. And it takes some time before a law becomes really mature. Many of these concepts are introduced for the first time in the legislation. For example, the CSR, it's one key change which will also be dealt during this seminar. So, without going too much ado on this, I would like to hand over this session to the eminent array of speakers we have from various walks of life. We have people from the government, representing government, who give them the government perspective, from the ICSI, the practitioners side, from the subject matter experts, E&Y, and who's going to give their perspective, and also from the industry. So we have people from all walks of life who are going to give their perspective on how these changes are going to impact us, the nuances of these law and things.